Good evening, friends. This is Mamaw. I'm going to be making some street corn coleslaw. I'm going to start off with a 10-ounce bag of shredded cabbage. Two tablespoons of mayo. And 2 tablespoons of sour cream. A teaspoon of lemon juice. Some smoked paprika. Some chili powder. I'm going to measure a half a teaspoon. Some garlic salt. Just to your taste. Salt. Pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Some chopped red onion. I used about 1/3 of a red onion. Some feta cheese. Use your own judgment on that. If you like it, put a lot. If you don't, just don't put it. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 2 cups of corn. I use what I froze because I put 2 cups per bag. Now we're going to give this a good mix-a-rooney. This makes quite a bit, so if you're having a cookout or family get-together, this is good. It makes quite a bit. I think next time I'll get the smaller cut cabbage. The chopped up kind. This is shredded. And you can garnish it with more smoked paprika, or you can use more chili powder. And there you have it. It makes a pretty coleslaw. and I'll test it for you. It needs to set a while, but I'm going to go ahead. Delicious. I'll put a cover over this and eat on it this week. Quote of the day: hold your head high. Look the world straight in the eye. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.